Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case where the assessee could not file Form 10 IC within the time limits prescribed under Rule 21 AE read with Section 115B AA subsection 5, and the CPC disallowed the concessional tax rate of 22% to the assessee by issuing the intimation under section 143 subsection 1. The issue was that if the Form 10 IC is not filed on time, or even if it is not filed but the assessee files the return on time and the assessee has opted section 115 BAA concessional tax rate in the return of income and in the tax audit report, so whether this delay can be condoned and the benefit of section 115 BAA should be allowed to the assessee or not. This issue has been very well been deliberated by Honorable Ahmedabad ITAT D bench in the case of Create Connect eSolutions Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 126 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 42, and the date of the judgment is 29th July 2025. The present case relates to the assessment year 2021. The assessee was a private limited company which was giving the various support services. The assessee filed its income tax return, and in that income tax return part A journal, the assessee opted for the concessional tax rate regime under section 115 BAA. When the assessee filed its tax audit report, in that tax audit report, in that clause A, 8A, the assessee also mentioned the fact that the assessee has opted for the concessional tax rate regime under section 115 BAA. But the assessee didn't file the Form 10 IC within the time limits which are prescribed under Rule 21 AE read with section 115B AA subsection 5, due to which the Central Processing Center, Bengaluru, issued the intimation under section 143 subsection 1 denying the benefit of concessional tax rate to the assessee on the pretext that the Form 10 IC has not been filed on time. The assessee came to know about this withdrawal of concessional tax rate by the CPC only when the refunds of the assessee for the subsequent years were adjusted with the demand of assessment year 2021. As soon as the assessee came to know of this adjustment, the assessee filed the appeal with the learned CIT appeal, but this appeal was delayed. The CIT appeal acknowledged the reasons for filing the appeal late, but the CIT appeal also did not give the benefit of the concessional tax rate under section 115 BAA to the assessee on the pretext that the assessee also missed the bus of filing the Form 10 IC according to the Central Board of Direct Taxes Circular number 6 of 2022 dated 17th March 2022. The CIT appeal said that the assessee, according to the third condition of the circular, could not file the Form 10 IC for the assessment year 2021 up to 30th June 2022. So, the benefit of concessional tax rate could not be extended to the assessee. When the matter was heard by the tribunal said that, first of all, in the present case, the assessee was not served the intimation under section 143 subsection 1. The assessee came to know of the adjustment only when his refunds were adjusted. The assessee duly filed the return of income on time in which he has opted for concessional tax rate regime, and in the tax audit report also there was the fact that the assessee has opted for the concessional tax rate regime and complied all the conditions. For example, the assessee has not availed any exemptions which are there to opt for the concessional tax rate regime. So according to the tribunal, the intention of the assessee in the present case for availing the concessional tax rate regime is very much manifest, unambiguous and well documented. The tribunal said that the belated filing of the Form 10 IC is only a procedural lapse and the assessee conduct is very much bona fide in the present case. The tribunal said that in the present case, when the intimation is not even being served to the assessee, so the matter to be remanded back to the assessing officer to verify whether the form has been filed or not, and even if it is not filed, then the assessee is directed to file the form 10 IC, and the AO is directed to verify the form 10 IC and give the benefit of concessional rate of tax to the assessee. Friends, this case is very important because this case directly hints that filing the form 10 IC is only a procedural part, which was very much clear from the conduct of the assessee by filing the return on time and by giving the details in the tax audit report. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Create K Connect eSolutions Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 126 ITR short notes 42, and the date of the judgment is 29th July 2025. Thank you, friends.